So there are two simple techniques I want to show you here for rounding corners in Illustrator. The first one, if we come to the selection tool, I've added two shapes here to demonstrate this. If I click with the selection tool, you'll see in the corner these little circles appear. What I can do with these, if I click and drag, you can see now I can round the corners of this shape here, and then when I release it, I can bring it back. And again, I can go back in and readjust this as I want. And this is applicable for all shapes. If I come to my hexagon here, you'll see it doesn't appear in all corners, but I've got this little circle up top. I can click and drag here and change that accordingly. Go back. Now, if you're operating on an older version of CC, you don't see that option. There's also another way to do it. If I select the shape here, I'm then going to go to Effect, Stylize, and Round Corners. That'll bring up this box here. Now what I can do here, make sure my preview's selected, and I can change the radius accordingly. You can see as I change it, it changes that as such. Press OK, I got my shape there. Now if I want to go back in and change this, what I can do is I go to something known as my Appearance panel. And if you don't have it on the side here, go to Window Appearance, and it will appear. And then from there then, I can double check the rounded corners. I can bring that back up, and I can change this up and down as I want. Press OK. And then if I want to remove it, then I can either delete it here using the delete selected item, or I can just turn off the button to return to the original shape. So there you have it. There's two very simple methods for rounding corners in Illustrator. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, let me know in the comments what you thought, and make me aware of any future tutorials you'd like me to do, and I will see you next time for the next tutorial.